Protects your hands from heat as a lid or bail lifter. Use as a trivet for your lid, or flip it and use your lid as extra cooking surface. Made of durable 9mm bar stock, folds up for easy storage. High temperature black finish. Fits inside all large camp Dutch ovens 10 inches or larger. Material type, steel. The Lodge 4-in-1 Camp Dutch oven tool is the ultimate multitasker when cooking at the campsite. It protects your hands from heat, keeps your cookware off the ground, and maximizes your cooking area. Use as a trivet for your lid, or flip it and use your lid as an extra cooking surface. Made of 9mm bar stock with high temperature black finish. Fits inside all Lodge Camp Dutch ovens 10 inches and larger. Folds up for easy storage. Warning: this product can expose you to chemicals including chromium, hexavalent compounds, which is known to the state of California to cause cancer and birth defects or other reproductive harm. Top reviews from the United States. Works as advertised. I use this stand for cooking on my cast iron skillet while camping. It worked well. I was able to just put it down in a bed of hot coals and place my 12-inch skillet on top and get cooking. I was also able to place a small backpacking kettle on it without issue. It folds flat so it's easy to store and transport, although it's a bit too heavy to consider taking it backpacking. I did not try using it as a hook for lifting lids or whatnot because it was under the pan in question, and I don't think it's worth keeping two of these around.